Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I'm working on a box for some family, and as per usual, I love to cover my boxes, so I'm going to use some scrapbook paper and we're going to cover my flaps and get this all covered up nice and fancy, like they like to say. You're so fancy. So I'm using some of my blue blooms from Michaels. I got this off a D-Stash here on YouTube. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to use these. And see how it looks. Yeah, that's what I want. I want pink on that. And I like using the opposite flaps to each other. So there you go. Just like that, I'm going to cover up my, oh, it seems a little big. Some paper pads are not all 12 by 12, I should say, but it's just like a smidge off, like a 1/4 of an inch. I'm just going to cut a teeny tiny sliver, and I didn't cut these perfect. Okay. Ooh. That's a little bit. Okay. Just like that. That's much better. All right. So I'm going to get this down. Hopefully my glue gun is hot enough. Down it goes. Right on the flap, like that. The glue is hot. So be careful. You press it down, you don't push the glue out to your fingers. And that works for me. Okay, so real quickly, I'll share this little magic wand I made. I just made it. I'm gonna add this to my box, and it has a bunch of purple, and it has that blue paper from that paper pad again, and the unicorn. I used a little purple from the unicorn pad that I have, and this little fairy, this little pretty fairy I got from my friend Kat at Lolly Thimble. Gorgeous cupcake toppers that she shared with me in a Happy Mail. I'm like holding off on using it. Like, this is the first one I've used from her whole box that she had sent to me. So I'm like, okay, I'll let go a little bit. So I made a little wand I'm going to add to the box, and I'm going to pull the box over it. So the florals that I hauled earlier, that's where they're going. They're going in this box. I had these hydrangeas that I bought for her earlier. I added the ferns and the, what are these called? Spider plants on the bottom. So they're at the bottom of the box. And this is a large flat rate box. So I'm trying to carefully put the flowers into the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 sets of the hydrangeas I put in the box. And we're going to add, so in order to get the flowers in the box, I have to bend the stems. And good thing it's wire, because you could always bend them back. So I have to really aggressively bend them just so they could fit into the box. So I'm going around the edge of this the box. So we're gonna try our best. I'm gonna try and get as many flowers as I can get in here, and whatever I can't fit, you know, it's gonna have to wait for another time. Like, seriously gorgeous. Okay, very, very pretty. Let's see if our magic wand will. Oh my god, look at that box, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's so freaking cute. I'm just going to share with you my completed floral box. So this is going to a family member, like I said before, and this is what we've got going on. I have it, oh, let me spin it around here. So I put the card onto the flap of the box and I just glued it on there, and then the envelope has a little bit of Velcro action going on. And I had used some of my sticker supplies also from Dollar Tree. So the main point of the box is for the florals sharing. And then I have my little wand, and I'm using the little cupcake toppers that I got from my friend Kat here on YouTube, Lolly Thimble. And I hidden a little gift in the box. I need to send a second box because I was supposed to include ribbon and I totally forgot. So there's one spool of ribbon in here. So how I decorated the flaps, I used my scrapbook paper and I just attached it to the flaps. And then I just used some stickers that I got from Dollar Tree. So here's the birthday stickers with the glitter on them. And I think it looks really pretty with the paper. The yellow just really pops on that pink. So I also used some doilies that I got from Dollar Tree. This one is from Walmart. The white is from Walmart, and then the pink is from Dollar Tree. These little hearts I made using scrapbook paper, and I just cut out a shape. I followed one of the tutorials here on YouTube. And then I also added some more of the cupcake toppers from Lolly Thimble again. So these are the stickers from Dollar Tree. This is from Dollar Tree, this foam sticker here. And then you have the cupcake topper, which is a beautiful little fairy right there. This camera doesn't really do it justice, but so pretty. Goes along with the flowers and the paper. So this side is pretty much the same thing. We have the doilies for the background, scrap of paper. This is a sticker also from Dollar Tree, and here's another cupcake topper. You see the little fairy up here, right there. She's holding a little pretty flower. So there's a theme. There's a lot of florals going on here. And here's more stickers with the hearts and the rosette. And then here on the top, I just used, believe it or not, this Celebrate is a sticker that came from Dollar Tree. Everybody hauled it. It was this sheet of gold words, and this was one of them. And this is just the alpha stickers from Dollar Tree also. And it's the gold glitter alphas. And that was it, guys. And there you go. There is that beautiful box of florals. So I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.